I'll show you failure.
That's it for today, and remember, trust us with your weather.
Rome wasn't built in a day. You gotta climb a little higher to the top of the display. Where there's a will, there's a way. You just gotta slit a throat or two to make the weak obey.
Today we mourn the loss of one of our own, but our commitment to the truth is as strong as ever. Remember, trust us with your news.
If you want it, just take it. The world just don't waste it. Go make the stars align to shine brighter, brighter than you'll be going supernova.
A big thank you to my producers for giving me this chance. I know I have some mighty big shoes to fill, but I promise you can trust me with your entertainment.
It's not a shot in the dark. Not up to chance. If you've got plans, you'll cancel every question mark. Fish like to swim, not sharks. Yeah, you eat or you get eaten, and you're feasting on their hearts.
They're calling me a god, Bob. You gotta strike while the iron's hot. Leave the channel to me. I'll bring in more new blood, and you'll know what to do with. Come on!
Do we have a deal?
With your neck.
Shine brighter, brighter in the skies above. You'll be brighter, going to
The other studios want to feed you the same old crap everyone's seen before. You want new, you want bigger, you want brighter. Voice, and we will redefine what it means to rule the airwaves. Trust me, and your future will be brighter. Now who's ready to be baptized into a new era of entertainment?
finally, I'll show them what I'm meant to be. They won't believe their eyes when I bring them to their knees to worship me.